If you're planning to release a song soon, this video is your checklist. Welcome back to REC, where we talk all things audio production and sound. Whether you're an independent artist, music producer, or singer-songwriter, these are 5 things that I'm actually doing for my upcoming release to make sure that my track actually gets heard and not just released and forgotten. Hi, I'm Diana Everett. I'm a singer-songwriter producer and REC grad. This is your release prep guide. Cover art, content, strategy, everything. Let's go. Number 1, upload early and pitch your song. First up, upload your song early. I mean, at least 2 to 4 weeks, ideally like 6 weeks before your release date. Whether you're using DistroKid, Lander, TuneCore, or CD Baby, this gives you time to pitch your song to Spotify editorial playlists. Get your pre-save link and make sure that there are no tech disasters on release day. If you wait until last minute, you are cutting yourself off from massive exposure. Upload early is non-negotiable. Build your release assets. Before you release anything, you need your visual and content assets ready. At a minimum, prep cover art. You'll want this in square, vertical, YouTube thumbnail, and banner format. A 10 to 15 second teaser clip with audio and text overlay. Ideally, you want more than one. A few lyric graphics or TikTok style lyric reels. You'll want an EPK and press release ready for pitching. Bonus, you'll want performance snippets, behind the scene footage, mood boards. Basically, any assets developed for your release are helpful to have, even if you just keep it in a bank. This helps you to post consistently during release week without scrambling. Number 3, set up pre-save or smart links. This is one of the most powerful music marketing tools and is free. Use something like Hypeddit, Linkfire, or ToneDen to create a smart link. This link lets people pre-save your song and updates automatically on release day. You can also use it to collect emails, link your fans to your Spotify, YouTube, Apple Music, and all of your socials all in one place. Add it to your bio, your posts, your stories, your descriptions, literally put it everywhere. Number 4, update your profiles. Next, make sure your online presence reflects your release, as well as make sure it reflects your artist identity. We did a whole video on artist identity, and we have a few more videos on that coming up. Check out the link below down in the description. Update your Spotify for Artists profile photo and banner. Instagram bio with your release link and description. TikTok and YouTube banners. Add pin posts on all of your platforms with your release date and teaser. When someone lands on your profile, they should instantly know what's coming and how to hear it. Number 5, plan your content calendar. Most independent artists post once on release day and disappear. Don't do that. I'd say at minimum, plan a 7 to 10 day rollout of content. Day 1, you could have a teaser. Day 2, you could have a lyric snippet. Day 3, you could have some behind the scenes. Day 4, you could do an acoustic version or a remix of it. Day 5, you could do a performance clip. Day 6, you do maybe a live stream, a Q&A, maybe answer some funny questions or just deep dive, do a rant. You know, you can come up with so many different ideas, but at bare minimum, make sure you got at least a week. You're putting in so much effort to make your songs wonderful. You need to put in just a bit of effort to make sure that they are heard well. You can batch film this content and then schedule it for later so you don't have to be stuck on social media every single day. Consistency is what separates forgettable songs from memorable campaigns. There you go. 5 things every artist should do before doing a solo release. If you do this, you'll actually enjoy the process of your release rather than feeling lost and overwhelmed. So that's it. I've decided to do this video because I'm currently planning my first solo release and I've been deep diving in it and I'm like, you know what, this is such helpful information to have. I wish I was able to find this in one place. So I'm compiling a list of a few different videos that I'm putting together where it'll go over this general 5 things that you should know before your release. We're going to be doing next all the socials that you should be doing around your release and strategies for that. After, how to do a music video, how to budget, who are the different people you have to hire, coming up with content, concepts, all of that for it, that sort of thing, as well as a few other videos that I think would be very helpful. If you think that's good, please let me know down below in the comments. You know what to do. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We come out with new content all the time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, so I've just had a conversation with REC and we are going to be taking a little pause for the rest of the summer. We're organizing a few really cool projects and it kind of makes sense just to take a break from some of these videos. So that being said, we should be back and rolling in September. I already have a great video for you then. Yeah, super pumped about it. I guess enjoy the rest of your summer, enjoy August. We'll be back, as I said, in September with a video. And from there, we'll figure out everything else that's going to be coming out in the pipeline. It's exciting stuff. Right, bye guys. You can check out the Instagram of REC, TikTok as well. And you can also follow my socials. I'll be updating things that I'm working on there, which are really fun, like my first single coming out. Bye.